Happy first day of homeschool. So this is our second first day of homeschool ever. We are getting ready to take our homeschool photo. So we're a little bit dressed up today for our first day pictures. Are you excited?
Yes.
Woohoo! First day of homeschool. Actually, it's not the first day of homeschool ever. Second first day of homeschool ever. All right, let's take our first day photos. We just got finished taking our first day photos. I had to grab a bite to eat because I did not eat breakfast this morning. So grabbed a bite to eat and I have the room all set up, waiting for the girls to come in. They've been a little bit antsy, so I'm gonna go ahead and let them in and let them kind of explore the room, and I'll show you. I don't want to say it too loud because they're waiting right outside the door. So our new homeschool space will eventually be the theater room in our home. So we do have a TV on the wall, but of course I'm going to use it for educational purposes because that's what I do. So I have my iPad mirroring right now on the screen. So I am going to let them in and yeah, let's go. Happy first day of homeschool. Happy first day of homeschool.
Happy first day of homeschool.
To let you do a little scavenger hunt around the classroom, but you have to read the clues. So you're going to read the clue and figure out where you need to go. This will help you know where everything is in the room. Are you paying attention? Are you paying attention? Okay. Are you paying attention? Okay. Alright, all done with our little scavenger hunt. Now the girls are going to do their first day pages. Your favorite color is pink?
Pink.
Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A teenager.
A teenager? That's it. And who's your teacher for kindergarten?
Uncle.
Uncle is not your teacher.
Me.
You?
Yes.
No, it's me. Okay. All right, Mimi, let's see how tall you are.
So S-A. L.
Put your toe on it.
S-A-L.
Put your ear straight.
So O.
43 inches.
O-N.
Yeah, very good. You got it. You are 52 inches. Remember we saw that big old tuna? How long was that tuna? 90 inches. Watch this. Step on the ruler. The girls are off eating a snack. Excuse the noise in the background because they're eating snacks. They're off eating a snack. When they come back, we are going to read a book for the first day. This is the book that we're going to read, The Day You Begin. We just finished calendar. We did a little cute first day activity, and then after that I'm just gonna kind of let them explore their supplies in the classroom. My advice for the first day is to make it special and keep it simple. Don't stress yourself out. Don't try to do every single subject on the first day. If you come from a traditional school background, remember for like the first week you are really trying to build a connection and get to know the students. Do the same thing with your kids. In my case, do the same thing with my child and my niece, building connections, getting to know them, getting to know their interests, doing some fun things. So yeah, we're gonna read this book. I'm gonna let them look at their workbooks and stuff that we are going to use this year. I'm also gonna let them pick out a book. My niece cannot read yet. She's just starting kindergarten. She's only 5, but I'm still gonna let her look through some books and figure out which one that she wants to read with me. I'm gonna let my new 3rd grader, oh goodness, I'm gonna let my new 3rd grader pick out what she wants to read as her first book this year. We'll do some art and then wrap it up. You know, homeschool does not need to be long. You don't need to be there for 8 hours for the day. And again, remember that first day, don't try to cram in all of your subjects. Let them explore and be kids, do a little bit and help them get reacclimated to schooling. All right, happy first day of homeschool. Okay, y'all, the girls are doing PE with Joe. You probably heard about PE with Joe. It was a pretty popular series throughout the summer. I'm just replaying one of his older videos, so they're gonna do that while I get their lunch. We're actually supposed to be wrapping up the day, but they want to keep going. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. They want to keep going, so we are going to do PE with Joe. We're gonna do lunch. I'm gonna take them to the store so that they can pick out prizes for their prize buckets. So we do a sticker chart. If you follow my page, you know that I do sticker incentive, and after they get so many, then they can pick out their prize, but I let them pick out their own prizes. So I'm gonna give them some money and take them to the store. Boom, math lesson right there. Take them to the store, let them pick that out. We'll come back home and do art, and I think that will be the end of the day. Oh no, we'll do art and do read aloud, and then I think that will be the end of the day, unless they decide that they want to keep going. I will ride this wave of momentum for the first day of homeschool. So I will film again when we are on our way to the store to pick out their prizes. Our way back from the store. The girls are going through their prizes.
No, this one.
And we are going to stop the day right there. I did have a little bit more planned. I had art planned, but Mama is out of steam and it's getting a little bit late in the day, so we're gonna stop. There's another homeschool lesson for you. Be flexible. I did not have PE planned at all today, but the girls wanted to do it, so I let them go ahead and do so. And whisper. I let them go ahead and do it. I had art planned, but it's a little bit too late, so we're just gonna roll it to the next day. So if you are new to homeschooling, just keep in mind that flexibility is a must when it comes to homeschool. You have to make room for your kids' wants and needs, and also your wants and your needs. I think we had an awesome first day. I am tired. Girls, how do you think the first day went?
Good.
Good? What did you like the best for the first day? I can't see you.
Yes.
The prizes?
Yes.
Picking out your prizes?
Yes. Yes.
And how are you going to earn your prizes?
Get 10 stickers.
You have to get 10 stickers. So how many stickers do you think you should get today?
2. I did my
Your word puzzles?
yes.
Oh.
Word puzzle.
Oh, doing word ladders. Yeah, very cool. So she learned how to do some more word puzzles today. Awesome. All right, so that's it. That is our first day of homeschool ever. Again, I wish blessings and good vibes to you throughout your homeschool year. We'll be back to sharing our homeschool journey, especially adding this little one to our homeschool for the school year. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.